This is how you increase and decrease single crochet stitches. Now to increase any stitch in crochet, all you have to do is put 2 of the same stitches into 1 stitch. So here I'm going to do that at the beginning of the row, and then I'm going to work my way across and do that again at the end of the row. This is the first video of a series of where I show you how to increase and decrease single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. So be sure to go to my page if you want to learn how to do those. Now to decrease a single crochet stitch at the beginning of a row, all you have to do is skip that first stitch. It is still considered a decrease even though you're not crocheting 2 stitches together. Now here I'm going to work my way across until I'm at the last 2 stitches, and for this one I'm going to single crochet 2 together. I'm going to insert my hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop, insert my hook into the second stitch and pull up another loop, and then I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on my hook. That's it! Happy hooking!